Welcome student. Here I am going to discuss some of important problem from binomial theorem. As you know, I already start a course in this platform for joint entrance main or advanced. So in the second class, this is some of the problem which are very important for that examinations. Before starting my video, please subscribe my channel, like, share to your friends, and if you have any confusion or doubts. So in my class today, the first problem is the remainder when 482 4 to 8 to the power 2024 is divided by 21 is the remainder. We have to find the remainder here first. So come to the next page. Here, um, 428 whole to the power 20. We break this term as 420 plus 8 whole to the power 2024 here. Okay. So 4 to 8 can be written as 21 into 20 plus 8 whole to the power 2024. Okay. Now we divided by 21 here. So this can be written as 21 into n plus 8 whole to the power 2024. Okay. This is divisible by 21. Now we get here that is 8 to the power 2024 here. Okay. We write this as 8 square whole to the power 1012 here. That is 64 whole to the power 1012 here. Now we can break it uh, like 21 into 3 plus 1 whole to the power 101. So here also 21m plus 1 to the power 1012 we use implies that here also implies that here. Okay. Now you can see here 21n, this is not m, this is n plus 1 here. So the complete term is divisible by 21 except 1. So the remainder is equals to 1. Clear? This is the important thinking of binomial theorem. Now come to the next question, that is the sum of the coefficient of x to the power 2/3 and x to the power minus 2 by 5 in the binomial expansion of x to the power 2/3 plus half into x to the power minus 2 by 5 whole to the power 9 here. Okay. So we get the sum of the coefficient. We find the sum of the coefficient. We first find tr plus 1 term. Actually, here tr plus 1, we have ncr, that is x to the power 2/3 whole to the power n minus r into x to the power minus 2 by 5 whole to the power r into their half also, that is to the power r, equals to, here n equals to 9, that is 9 cr into x to the power 2/3 9 minus r into x to the power minus 2 by 5 whole to the power r into r to the power r. Okay. Now this 9cr here also 2 to the power r, and we get x to the power 2/3 whole to the power 9 minus r into x to the power minus 2r by 5 here. Okay, that is 9cr into 1 by 2 to the power r. Here x equals to 6 minus 2/3 r minus 2 by 5 r equals to 9cr 1 by 2 to the power r into x to the power 6 minus 10r plus 6r divided by 15. Okay, that is equals to 9cr 1 by 2 to the power r into x to the power 6 minus 16r divided by 15 here. Okay, now the coefficient of x to the power 2/3, for the coefficient of x to the power 2/3, that is x to the power 2/3, we put this equals to 2/3, that is 6 minus 16r by 15 equals to 2/3 here. Okay, now calculate. After calculating, we get here, that is 16r by 15 equals to 2/3 minus 6, that is 16r by 15 equals to 16 by 3. So here r equals to 5. Again, for the coefficient of x to the power minus x to the power minus 2 by 5, we put 6 minus 16r, sorry, by 15 equals to minus 2 by 5. After calculate, we get r equals to 6. Okay, so therefore the coefficient is 9c6 into 1 by 2 whole to the power 6 for r equals to 6, and the coefficient here for r equals to 6, and for r equals to 5 we may also write that the coefficient is 9c5 1 by 2 whole to the power 5. Therefore, the sum equals to 9c5 whole to the power 5 plus 9c6 half whole to the power 6. Okay, we now calculate this, that is 9 factorial divided by 5 factorial divided by here 9 minus 5 factorial, or 1 by 2 whole to the power 5. Also 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial, 9 minus 6 factorial into half whole to the power 6. After calculate, we get this result 21 by 4 here. This is the answer. This is the answer of the question. Now come to the next problem. Here, if the terms independent of x square in the expansion of this is 105, then a square equals to. Okay, come to the next page. Here we have square root of a x square plus 1 by 2 x cube whole to the power 10. We first find the general term. General term, that is t r plus 1 term. We get here, that is 10 cr square root of a into x square whole to the power 10 minus r into 1 by 2 x cube whole to the power r. Okay, that is uh, 10 cr here. We have here 1 by 2 to the power r into a to the power 10 minus r divided by 2 into x to the power 2 into 10 minus r into x to the power minus 3r. Okay, that is, we calculate only the power of x here. So uh, we find the term that is independent of x, that is term independent of x. So here x to the power 20 minus 2r minus 3r, that is x to the power 20 minus 5r. If the term independent of x, so the power of x should be 0. That is r equals to 20 by 5, that is equals to 4. Okay. Now we have to find the coefficient. That is, here we have uh, 10c4 a to the power 10 minus 4 divided by 2 into 1 by 2 to the power 4. That is equals to 105. Now, here factorial 10 divided by factorial 4 into factorial 6, or a cube into 1 by 2 to the power 4, that is equals to 105. Also, after calculating, we get a cube equals to 8 here. So a equals to 2, that is a square equals to 2. This is our answer. Come to the next problem. Here, if the second, third and fourth term in the expansion of x plus y whole to the power n is as given, then we have to find the value of this. To come to the next question. Here the expansion is x plus y whole to the power n. Okay. Now here the second, third and fourth term. That is, second term means t1 plus 1. We get nc1 x to the power n minus x to the power 1 here. That is, sorry, x to the power n minus 1 y to the power 1. That is equals to 135. Again, t 2 plus 1. That is nc2 x to the power n minus 2 y square. That is equals to 30 t 3 plus 1. That is nc3 x to the power n minus 3 y cube. That is equals to 10 by 3. We put here 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now 1 divided by 2. We have nc1x divided by nc2y, that is equals to 9 by 2. Again, nc2x divided by nc3y, that is equals to 9 here, and nc1x into nc1 into nc3 equals to nc2 into nc2, that is equals to half. Okay, solving these, we get here, that is a 4n minus 8 equals to 3n minus 3, that is n equals to 5. Again, after solving this, we get x equals to 3, y equals to 100. So we have this value nq here, nq plus x square plus y, that is 6 into 125 plus 9 plus 1/3, that is equals to 806. This is our solution. Okay, I use here some shortcut, not shortcut method, actually I cannot calculate uh, so elaborately. I think it is too easy and you may solve this. If you any problem uh, for solving this problem, comment me, I will solve this problem also, because if I solve all this calculation here, the video length will be increased, so I cut this calculation. Okay, the next problem, the sum of decimal terms in the expansion of 2 to the power 2 to the power 1 5 plus 5 to the power 1 3 whole to the power 15 here, whole to the power 15 here. Okay, here x 2 to the power 1 5 plus 5 to the power 1 3 15 to correct the question. So we first calculate the term, that is tr plus 1 term, that is 15cr 1 by 15cr 2 to the power 1 by 5 whole to the power 15 minus r and 5 to the power 1/3 whole to the power r. Okay, that is 15cr into 5 to the power 3 by r into 2 to the power 3 minus 5 by r. Now for rational term, for rational term r by 3 and r by 5, here I have done a mistake, that is this is r by 5. R by 5 must be integer. Okay, therefore either r equals to 0 or r equals to 15 here. Though therefore the sum of two rational term is 15c0 2q plus 15c15 into 5 to the power 5. After calculating, we get here 8 plus 3125, that is 313. Okay, come to the next problem. The remainder when two terms has given is divided by 9. Okay, so come here. We have here that is 11 to the power 1011 plus 1011 whole to the power 11. We divided by 9. Okay, we may write 11 as 9 plus 2 whole to the power 1011 plus 1008 plus 3 whole to the power. So 9 lambda plus 9 lambda plus 2 to the power 1011 plus 9 mu plus 3 to the power 11. In this case, we may write here that is 2 cube whole to the power 337 plus we also write here that is 3 to the power uh, 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 9. Okay, so here 9 to the power something, so this is divisible by 9. We left only 8 to the power 337. We write this as 9 minus 1 whole to the power 337, that is equals to 9 uh, gamma minus 1 here plus minus 1 whole to the power 3. That is obviously the remainder equals to 9 minus 1, that is equals to 8. Okay, this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay, come to the next problem. The sum of nc0 square plus nc1 square plus nc2 square here. This is a very good problem for joint entrance examinations and joint entrance main and advanced examinations. So I solve it. Now we have to find the sum of this problem. So we have to find the of nc0 square nc1 square by 2 nc2 square by 3 ncn square divided by n plus 1. equals to, we may write this as sigma r equals to 0 to n, that is ncr square divided by r plus 1. Okay, we may write this as n plus 1 because r run from 0 to n. So finally we get 1 by n plus 1. Here sigma r equals to 0 to n here, that is ncr n plus 1c r plus 1, that is we get 1 by n plus 1 sigma r equals to 0 to n n c n minus r also n plus 1 c r plus 1. So we may write this as 1 by n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 c n plus 1. Here we add this. Okay, now 1 by n plus 1, we expand this 2n plus 1 minus n minus 1, that is 2n plus 1 minus this minus 1 factorial. Okay, 1 by n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 factorial divided by factorial in here n plus 1 factorial. Okay, now 2n plus 1 factorial here, we get here n plus 1 factorial into n plus 1 factorial, that is 2n plus 1 factorial divided by n plus 1 factorial whole square. This is the result. Okay, this is the, okay, come to the next problem. This problem, this is for your homework. Solve it and send me its your answer. If you cannot uh, work it properly, then comment me and send me in my uh, description box, comment box. I will solve this. Now the question number 9. Here, question number, here the question is x plus 2n plus 1 c0 into x plus 2n plus 1 c1 into x plus 2n plus 1 c2 and so on to into here, and that is x plus 2n plus 1 cn. You may see that x runs to n terms. So we can write this as the coefficient we have to calculate, coefficient of x to the power n here. So uh, coefficient of x to the power n, coefficient of x to the power n that is equals to, we have 2n, sorry, 2n plus 1 c0 plus 2n plus 1 c1 plus 2n plus 1 c2 and so on to 2n plus 1 cn, 2n plus 1. Okay, so we get 2 to the power 2 plus, that is 2 to the power 2. This is our answer. Okay, the next problem, the last problem for the day, that is the problem number 10 here. If there are three successive coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus 2x whole to the power n, which are in the ratio 1 4 10, then n equals, okay, we have here 1 plus x, that is 1 plus 2x whole to the power n. Let the successive coefficient in the term, say t r plus 1 term, tr and t r plus 3, r plus. So in this term the coefficient are have the having the condition. So come actually tr plus 1 here, uh, in cr 2 to the power r into x to the power r here. Okay, t r plus 2, that is here, ncr plus 1 2 to the power r plus 1 x to the power r plus 1, t r plus 3 equals to ncr plus 3 2 to the power, sorry, 2 here, x to the power r plus 2. The coefficient will be this term excluding the x. So now we have, that is ncr into 2 to the power r divided by ncr plus 1 into 2 to the power r plus 1, that is equals to 1 4. Okay, after calculating we get n equals to 2 plus 3r here. Again we have ncr plus 1 into 2 to the power r plus 1 divided by ncr plus 2 into 2 to the power r plus 2, that is equals to 4 by 10. So here 4n equals to 9r plus 14. After calculating these two equations, we get here n equals to 8. This is the answer. So student, you seriously follow my channel by subscribing it and like, share it. Okay, thank you for watching.